a map. It's a good way. Uphill as well. Right. I said I was going to do some Breton. Yeah. What I've actually got is a book, and it's Breton to Welsh, so I'm going to have to bear with me. Hold on. Brezhoneg. No, I don't know how to pronounce these, so hopefully as I did record it, I'm going to pronounce these whatever, as I did, I'm going to pronounce these as if they were Welsh, because again the languages are very something new. I don't know, try these. Right. Good morning is Mintin Mat. Mintin dar in Cornish. Mintin Mat is good morning. Good day is demat. Good evening is Nozvezh. That's right. And good night, Nozvezh, is Noz Vat. Right, so that's that. Cheers. It's a Yec'hed Mat. What else can we say? What is that? How are you in Welsh is Sutmai. In Breton here I've got Penaos, Eman, Arbed, Genach. It's appalling. What's that? Why did you say Sumai? Oh, great language, but why did you say hi like that? Oh well, we get on with it. Well, you could say just hi as Salut Diolch. Goodbye. Kenavo. And I think for just simple, you know, simple phrases, that's it. So not much more I can say really. Until next time, my friends.